Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Alli. I am a movement and meditation teacher here in the Los Angeles area, and today I'm going to lead us in a practice all about the breath. So the breath is such an important part of meditation. Just like we talk about with the body, how throughout the day we sometimes forget about the body, we often do the same thing with the breath. Sometimes we can go hours, maybe even days without thinking about the fact that we're actually breathing. And it's important for us to notice that because the breath is what's actually keeping us functioning. It's keeping us going. It's keeping us alive, just like the body. And so in this practice today, I'm going to invite us to come into the present moment by focusing on the breath. We're going to notice what it feels like to breathe when we inhale, and we're going to notice what it feels like to breathe on the exhale. So that's what our practice is all about. I'm going to invite us into cues. So don't worry, I'll lead you through the whole thing. And if at any point you notice that your mind gets distracted or you start thinking about something in the future or the past, that's okay. Just keep coming back to the breath whenever you remember. All right, so let's go ahead and find a comfortable place to rest. Again, whether that's seated or if you feel comfortable lying down, totally up to you. You do what feels comfortable for you. I'm going to choose seated because that's what feels comfortable for me. So let your hands rest on some part of your body. Maybe your lap or your belly or your chest. And we'll start our practice by taking 3 breaths. So when you're ready for the first one, let's take a deep inhale in. Drop the shoulders, soft exhale out. Try that again. Breath in. Breath out. One more time, a full breath in. Drop the shoulders. Maybe you can close the eyes or take a gaze towards the floor and then exhale all the way out. Feel your body settling in. What does it feel like to be right here? Start to notice your legs. Notice your shoulders. Notice the top of your head. And start to bring your attention to your breath. Maybe you feel your breath right in the center of your chest. Or maybe you feel your breath going in and out of your nose. Maybe you feel your breath moving through your entire body when you inhale and exhale. And there's no right or wrong way to feel your breath. All we're doing now is just giving ourselves a permission to notice it. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. And even as you breathe, as thoughts come up, as they do because the mind is thinking, just acknowledge your thoughts without judging them, without trying to push them away. And slowly come back to your breath. Breathing in, breathing out. And not forcing your breath to be anything different, letting your natural breath be just as it is. What does your natural breath feel like? Again, if those thoughts start to come in the mind and you get distracted, just imagining that your mind is expansive as a blue sky, and the thoughts that come up are like the clouds that pass by. The clouds don't attach itself to the sky, they just keep moving. Let the thoughts keep moving and come back to your breath. Breathing in, breathing out. You may even say to yourself, I'm breathing in, I'm breathing out. I'm breathing in, I'm breathing out. Taking your time, moving at your own pace, breathing in and breathing out. Each time you're breathing like this and acknowledging your breath, you're being with the present moment. And maybe even allowing yourself to find gratitude for this breath that's moving in and out. Breathing in, breathing out. What does it feel like to breathe? And that's okay if you get distracted. You come right back to the breath. And to challenge ourselves a little bit more on this practice, before we close, I want to invite us to take some deep breaths here. So I'll count to the count of 4 on an inhale, and then we'll count 5 on an exhale. So when you're ready, we'll take a full breath in for 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And on your own, take a deep breath in and a breath out. Moving back to your natural breath. And with your eyes closed just for a moment longer, notice what it feels like to breathe. Maybe checking in what it feels like in your body. Noticing what it feels like in your mind or in your spirit. Remembering that we can always come back to our breath throughout our days because it's always with us. Even when we forget about it, we're still breathing. So when you're ready, go ahead and open your eyes. Deep breath, deep sigh out. Thanks for practicing that with me. I hope you continue to come back to this breath practice as much or as often as you need it when you need a reminder to just breathe. Breathe it in and let it go. All right, I'll see you soon.